Good morning guys, Adrian here at Woods Indian Motorcycle.
Jess Stewart, Woods Indian Motorcycle.
This morning we're going to go ahead and cover some pre-ride checklists on this Indian Challenger motorcycle. First thing we're going to go ahead and start with is your tire pressures.
You only got two.
So it's very important that you definitely stay on top of your tire pressures. On this Challenger right here, you want to make sure you are at 36 PSI in the front and 41 PSI in the back. Doing this will prevent any type of deformation or cupping that will severely impact the life and wear and safety of your tires. Another thing you want to go ahead and get familiar with is how to check the oil on your motorcycles. It's very important that when you do this, you don't do it cold. You must run the bike for 30 seconds at an idle, turn it off, then you can go ahead and check the oil at an upright position. Jess, if you would go ahead and show them where that oil drain plug is right here. All right, after the motorcycle has idled for 30 seconds, you will go ahead and check the dipstick with the motorcycle in the upright position. First, take the dipstick out. You will go ahead and clean the dipstick. Insert it back in there. Lightly screw it back in. This ensures an accurate reading. Unscrew it back out. And we have a great oil reading now. Wipe off any residual oil. And that's it. One of the next things you want to definitely familiarize yourself with is the handlebar controls on your Indian motorcycle. If you want to go and take a look closer here, we have a bunch of different controls to go over. All right, we're going to go ahead and start with adjusting the windshield. You do have handlebar controls to do that. You don't even have to take your hands off while you're riding. That is going to be on the right-hand side there. With your thumb going up, we'll go ahead and raise it, and pushing down, we'll go ahead and lower it. It can be adjusted all the way between up and down positions. It does not have to be stuck in one or the other. With those controls also, if we jump over to the left-hand control, I will show you where those emergency hazards on. If you need to pull over, you need to make yourself visible, they are on the left-hand side where your turn signals are. Press down in the center where the turn signals are, and it will enable the flashers or your hazards.
There we go.
Wonderful. Adrian, Jess.
Signing off. Come see us. Call us 830-743-0290. Personal cell with me all the time. Can't wait to help you all out. Thanks.
See y'all guys.